What's up? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm setting everything up. It's been a week. It's been a long week since I've been on here, y'all. It's been a while, man. Welcome back. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I miss y'all so much. So very, very much. I've been really busy. But since we're back, let's get it. Let me go ahead and put this word up. Put this word up for the day. Almighty, what is good, Miss Jenkins? What's up? Thank you, thank you. Yes, the family is good. Thank you. I pray that yours is. I pray you and yours is good as well. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see. All right. Let's get it. Let me go ahead and put these charts up. It's been a while, y'all. Man, I haven't really been streaming in a long time. All right, let's get it. Putting this up. Give me a second. Putting up the charts. Everything is brand new now. What's going on? New look. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Hold up. Putting up the charts. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Let me hide my P&L. Can't be showing that. I'm coming. Give me 1 second. Now, didn't I just change the P&L? Oh no. That was the executions. Executions. I'm coming, y'all. Give me a second. Executions. Here we go. Man, I love trading, boy. All right, here we go. Put it up. Bop. P&L. Bop. Any moment now. Any moment now. Any moment now. Right? Oh, wait, wrong way. Hold up. This way. Like that. Any moment now. We should have these two popping up. Any moment now. Come on, where you at? Alright. Where's the other one at? We got P&L up. We got P&L up. Hold up. P&L. Right? Let me do this. There it go. Man, it takes so long to come up here. I don't understand it. Let's fix this. I'm sorry, since I haven't streamed in so long, I'm about to fix this. Market opens up in 30 minutes, so we got time. I'm about to spread this word because that's y'all need that, man. Y'all need to feed your spirit, bro. Y'all gotta feed your spirit, bro. It's only right. It's only right. Gotta feed that spirit. You know what I mean? So let's get it. If you are a believer or a non-believer of Christ, you still gotta get that word. It's only right you try to spread that gospel. So we have 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 5. Verse 8. 3 different times I beg to the Lord to take it away. 3 different times, 4 different times, even 5 different times I begged to the Lord to take it away. Each time he said, "My grace is all you need. My power works best in weakness." So now I am glad to boast about my weaknesses so that the power of Christ can work through me. That's why I take pleasures in my weaknesses and in the insults, in the hardships, in the persecutions, and the troubles that I suffer for Christ. For when I am weak, then I am strong. Right? There was times when you asked God to take away your pain. There was times when you asked God to take away the suffering, the struggles, the doubt, the anxiety, the worry, the hatred, the anger, right? The animosity. There was times when you asked God, please God, I can't handle this. This is too much for me, right? And God's response is, my grace is all you need. My power works best in weaknesses. Because once you are weak, then you are strong. So guys, we also got right here, John chapter 16, verse 33. I have told you all of this so that you may have peace in me, have peace in God, peace in Jesus Christ. Here on earth, you will have many trials and sorrows, but take heart because he has overcome the world. Know that no matter what you go through, no matter what the circumstances, no matter if you lost a loved one, no matter if you been put down in the ground, no matter if you got swept off on your feet, right? No matter if you fell on your face, no matter what it is, you cried this morning, right? You was assaulted this morning, you was abused this morning, and no matter what it is, guys, give it to the Lord. God says, my grace is all you need. He will sustain you. His grace is going to sustain you and get you through any circumstance, any problem, no matter what it is. Because once you're going to be weak, then you will be strong. So boast in your weaknesses. Be glad, be joyful. Because when his glory is revealed, you will share in that glory. And you're going to overcome that obstacle. Just be patient, be strong, have faith. Have faith in God, guys. Remember that. Have faith in God, and He's going to get you through it all. Just have faith. All right, let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. God bless. That was 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 8, and that was also John 16, verse 33. All right. So we got 25 minutes until this market open. I'm a little stuffy. Okay? I'm a little stuffy. All right, let's see. Also, use that code. Use that code that guy. Get 80% off. Use that code that guy at the bottom. All right, get 80% off, or bop 80% off. Get your Apex account. Use that code that guy. It's linked in the chat. It's literally pinned to the chat. So chat, if you want to check that out, check it out. If y'all want to hear the word again, check it out. I'm gonna spread the word again. Right when market open, I'm spreading that word because more people gonna come in. I'm gonna have to spread that word again. Let's see. Let's go ahead and before we start, doing anything else. Let's see where this market going. Let's see where this market wants to go today. Let's do some charting and do some back testing. Are we on MQ? I'm gonna check out some more markets too. By the way, I'm not gonna just keep it on MQ. I'm gonna look at gold and maybe possibly Dow, the Russell, copper, crude oil. We're gonna look at some more markets. Check them out, see what's going on. Look at the weekly. Let's start on weekly. Make sure my charts are right. Gotta spread this over just a tad bit so y'all can see it a little bit more. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. All right. See what we got going on, right? Ooh, okay. Weekly. Let me look at a monthly. Okay, nice little push. Okay, look at the weekly. Let's see what we got. All right, 50% right here. Let's see what we got right here. It's 50%. Either we get above this or break this. We're gonna see. Might reject right here. We're gonna see. See if we can get back below this point. Not you, Siri. See if we can get back below this point. Either we're gonna respect this block or we're gonna hit this 50% and reject and come back down. I would like to see this fill this imbalance right here too. I'm sorry, not that. This gap. Fair value gap, weekly fair value gap. Week fair value gap. Right? We got a weekly fair value gap right there. Got a liquidity down here. Got some potential. Got some potential. I don't like that we don't got no wick on this. The week just started, so it is Monday, right? It is Monday, first day of the week, first day of the trading week. I'm looking on the weekly chart right now, And we're gonna see if we're gonna have a continuation above this and take out these highs. I mean, we took out these highs right here, or we're gonna reject this 50% and go back down to these lows. We're gonna see. Go down to a daily, put my daily highs, my daily lows. We did break the previous day high, and we did, and here's the previous day low. Oh, that's TP. Previous day low, right? Previous day low, previous day high. See if we can reject this 50% and come back down. If not, then we're gonna probably respect this block. Respect this block, have a continuation long. We're gonna see on a daily. Look at a 4 hour, which we right here. I don't know why is this not showing open. This market's supposed to be open. See, I don't know what this is about. This market is actually open. But anyways, let's see what we got. We got a 4 hour fair value. We got a 4 hour zone right here. 4 hour zone right there. Also the fair value gap. Where you at? 4 hour. Alright, 4 hour right there. Let's see. Do we have anything else that's really standout-ish to me? Got a fair value gap right here. 4 hour fair value gap, which is a very tiny 4 hour, but it'll work. It'll work. Right? It'll work. Okay. Looking pretty good, pretty good. Give glory to God. Make sure that you do everything through Christ. All right. All right. Let's see. Let's see what else. What else? What else? Got this right here, just to be safe. That's a high right here. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Get rid of that. Okay. So we broke the previous day high. We going for these highs on a weekly. See, going for these highs on a weekly. Can we respect this 50% and have a retracement, or are we gonna come back down, respect this block, and have a continuation? We're gonna see. Remember, it's still Monday, first day of the trading week. See how this market going to expand this whole week. So I'm thinking something like this. We're gonna see something either like this. Something like this, maybe. Oh, no, not that. Heck nah. Maybe this. Then that, maybe. Bro, why is it so ugly? Something like this, maybe. Or maybe like this. We bounce and we go up. We'll see. Man, I don't know what's going on. My drawing I haven't drawn in a minute, so we're gonna see. I ain't the best artist. Not the best artist. We got a fair value gap right here. See if we can respect that. See how that looked. Call this an inversion, really. Or, 4 hour inversion. 4 hour inverse. See if we'll bounce off that and then have a continuation long. All right, we haven't broken the high, so it still looks long to me. The market still looks long to me. All right, got a 4 hour, got a 4 hour right here. Let's see. All right, we got some nice little spots we can bounce off of. Let's see what else. We're not breaking. We haven't swept the highs, and we haven't. Wait, did we break? We didn't break the highs, and we didn't sweep the highs. So if we can get a bounce at this 4 hour and have a continuation back to these highs, I might take out these highs and TP. I might take out these highs and TP. I'm gonna have to go use it though. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. See if we can use this as a bounce point. See if we can use this as a bounce. If we come back down, sweep these lows, come back down, sweep these lows right here. See these lows? I'm gonna put a line. I'm gonna say these lows, right? Come back down, sweep these lows. Come right down, sweep these lows, bounce at this inversion right here, right? Something like this, a little bounce right here, and have a continuation and take out these highs. For how many ticks? How many ticks is this? 267, 267. For how much risk? I'm gonna stop right here probably. Also got a fair value gap right here, which is on the 1 hour. 1 hour fair value gap, right? 1 hour fair value gap, which was already mitigated, right? Which was already mitigated. 1 hour. I'm thinking something like this, market open. This is what I'm thinking. Something like this. Give myself some room on this move, and then have a continuation to take out these highs right here. Look, see highs, spot. Because we didn't take out the highs, we didn't break, but the market is still long, right? The high time frame is still long. See, high time frame is still long. We at this block. See if we can have a retracement back down and then a continuation. If not, then we might see a huge dump. We might see a huge dump. We're gonna see though, because we're hitting this block. We're gonna see. The fact that it's not engulfing is like saying continuation long. We're gonna see. I would like to see us sweep this and then short. Go down to a 15. I mean a 15. See if we got any blocks that could possibly respect on. Fair you get right here that we mitigated already. Man, these are really tiny fair value gaps. 15-minute fair value gap right there, right? We got a play in hand. See if we can get this play in hand. I'm thinking something like this. Sweep these lows, right? Wait, lows? That's how you spell low? Do low always look like this? Dang, that's an ugly word. Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Is that how you spell low? Man, that's so weird looking. You ever look at a word like, that's how you spell go? What the? Ain't no way you spell that word like that, bro. It looks weird. All right, going back to it. Go back to a high, right? We didn't sweep these highs. I'm gonna call these highs, right? Call these highs. We didn't sweep these highs, right? We just sideways. We're going sideways. I would like to see us retrace back down, sweep lows, sweep low, question mark? Sweep these lows, maybe? Sweep these lows, bounce at one of these little blocks, maybe this right here, fair value gap, and then have a continuation long to sweep the highs. That's what I'm thinking. Unless we're talking about lows, bro. I swear, some words be just so weird looking. I think one day I was like, how you spell no? Is it K-N-O-W? Like, what? Ain't no way you spell it like that. Ain't no way, bro. I gotta use the restroom, bro. I mean, you got 15 minutes until the volume kicks in. Market's been open. It's just when the volume kicks in, right? Possibly see an AMD, maybe a possible ICT move right here. You know, we're gonna see possible ICT. Possible ICT. We got right here. Let's see. Possibility. We're gonna see. See if we can get like an ICT move. Something like this. Something like that. You know. Maybe even going to those highs. To that 4 hour. We'll see. Something like that. AMD maybe. We're gonna see. Get a nice manipulation down here. Thinking that we're going short and we don't. What's my reasoning? I mean, if we come back down off this weekly and bounce at this block, right? It probably would look better on a 4 hour than a weekly. Somewhere in here, maybe bounce. See, somewhere in here, and then have a continuation to the highs. Sweep out the highs. And if not, then the market does NQ does what it wants. We're gonna see though. NQ does what it wants. NQ does what it wants. All right, let's get rid of this. It's just a bunch of noise. All right, let's see. What else am I missing? What am I missing? That has potential. I'm missing something. This is nice. This too. I'm gonna keep this right here. I'm gonna get rid of this. 1 hour. Oh yeah, this is what I'm thinking right here. Unless we take off right here. Unless we already swept. We swept and then we bouncing and we swept the highs. How many ticks was this? That was 192. Well, 200 ticks. That was already 200 ticks. All right, I'm gonna go use it, bro. I'm gonna go use it. Keep it right here. We got any news? I gotta see if we got any news today. I'm thinking something like this, possibly. Swap. See if we can sweep again. Nah. Look at the rejection. Oh, we shot these highs right here. That's something. All right, we're gonna see. Be right back. Stay on watch for me. Be right back. All right, enough Earth videos. All right, let's see, we back. Sorry, I try to put on the Earth videos that kind of pass the time. All right, let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get it. Okay, let's see what is going on. Okay. Okay, we didn't sweep, right? We didn't sweep. I like that. Hold up, give me a second. Let me fix this. We didn't sweep. We're coming back down. 32 minutes on that. Let's look at some news. Let's see if we got news. Because I got to see if there's anything that's going to like. Okay. President Trump speaks at 12. What that could be about? Pending home sales at 9. Ooh, I need to be sitting on hands. I need to be sitting on hands. Pending home sales. We're dropping. So many ticks is this to this point right here? 14 ticks? No. 20, 30 ticks? Already getting there. Market opens up in 2 more minutes. I mean, volume kicks in 2 more minutes. All right, let's see what we got. Volume kicks in 2 more. Come on, here, get out of my way. What's up, Nestle? Good morning. It wouldn't be right. It wouldn't make sense. These shorts might be heavy. Heavier than I think. Believe it or not, I think these shorts might be really heavy. Should have took that short note when it came up here. Jeez, my goodness. All right, let's see what we got. Market's about to open in 10 seconds. Man, I could do without the allergies, man. Broke this right here like 3, 4 times. Let's see what else we have. 4 hour right here, 1 hour right there. 30 minutes on that. What else? What else? See if we sweep. I want to see what happens. Took out those highs. Yeah, those big. Whoa, big pump. Did we tap into that? What you call it? 4 hour inverse. Yes, we did. Where's the bounce? That's the question. Might try long right here. I'm gonna keep a tight stop, just in case it takes off. See what happens right here. Can this 1 hour hold? Nah, I think this 1 hour gonna push back down. I might break even on it. Yeah. Figured. Yeah, I should have known. It's a continuation to the shorts. I'll get out of this. Cause this 1 hour, I forgot this 1 hour wants to sweep it. And then we got pending home sales at 9 o'clock. So I gotta be very mindful of that. Yeah, this thing gonna sweep. Let's keep it simple. You really gonna hold this range? Let's see. But then again, you're holding a little bit too well. Amazing. We're gonna wait. First 15 minutes of the market being open. I should wait. Man, I wish I would have let's see. No, not you. Alright. See what we got in this range. See if we can get a breakout. I wanna see, look at it more. Man, I don't wanna see no shorts. I wanna see buyers. Are we getting them right here? Probably not. We stuck this, right? I gotta get rid of this. It's in my way. Bounce off that. Rejection right here, maybe? There's no way. No way. There's no way. That's the move to those highs. There's no way. You bro, you barely, like, you literally, you didn't even give this 4-hour inversion a chance. Like, you just tapped it and just took off. Unbelievable. 3 minutes about to get up. Okay. That's actually really nice for the longs. Amazing. We're gonna see. Amazing, amazing, amazing grace. Amazing grace. Man, we slept crazy. One minute left on the 5 minutes, 26 minutes on the 1 hour. So we still got time. We still got time. I might be patient. It's Monday. It's Monday, so you know the best thing to do is be patient unless we get a crazy move, and I think we're gonna be in this range for a while. Unless we get a short out of this. $30 seconds left on the 5 minute. What is that? There's no way, bro. There's no way. But then again, that might be the move. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna keep it tight stop. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna go for these highs again. Let's see what happens. 5 minute printed. I just want to see what happens right here. And if not, then, you know, it is what it is. Did we get a break on this? Let's see. Big drop. Oh, big dump. Ooh, that is one ugly look. Okay. Yeah, I don't like how this looks. I'm about to get smacked. I might get smacked on this one. Okay. Ugh. Talk about hideous. Talk about hideous. Oh my goodness. I'm keeping a tight stop on this. Whoa, where'd it go? Yeah, I don't like that. There we go. There we go. Come on. Dang, big rejection. All right, it stopped me out. I was hoping it stopped me out. Big drop might come after this right here. Just gauging the market. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Just gauging the market. Still look at this 1 hour because this 1 hour still showing, looking really short to me. But we in this range. I was hoping I could see a breakout in this after sweeping. But, you know, we'll see. I still like this though. I might just wait till those 20 minutes pass though before I really get into a heavier play. But it's looking crazy. I don't like the wicks. I don't like the wicks on these 1 minute. See, I don't like the wicks. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like the see. I don't like the wicks on these candles. Might have to just stay out of it. It almost look really indecisive. Man, that 4 would be nice to see the sweep. I want to see the sweep of the highs. I'm still feeling it. I don't like that rejection point. So have we not breaking that? Okay. Held this again. I'm still gonna go for these highs. I'm gonna still keep a tight stop just in case, cause I like how we holding this level. I still want to go for these highs, even if the 1 hour doesn't look like it. I just want to see it. I want to see it happen. If it don't, then it is what it is. I ain't going to tell him. I'm just going in one micro. I really do like this trade. It's playing with me. Man, the Chop City. We didn't get the break. Three minutes on the 15. I'm just in one micro, just gauging it. See if we can take out these highs. Uh-oh. Here come a big drop. But look at a 30-second. So it's been fresh, I'm still trying to get back into the game. It's been a while. Big drop again. Does it want to hold it low? Nah. This range is crazy. It's this 1 hour. I don't like it, but I just like I like the development of it. I'm gonna add into this. Oh shoot! A lot of people adding into it. Looks like a fake out. Two minutes left on the 15 on the 5. Looking good, looking good, looking good. One minute printed. 2 minutes left on. I think we could push that. I think we could push that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm liking this. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, that wasn't it though. That wasn't the final play. Big projection about to come. All right, I'm out of that. We are 44. Just 44 bucks. 44 bucks. Hey, I like the trade. It was a nice little trade. I did not say earlier that we was gonna do something like this. I had a feeling we was gonna do this right here. It just the choppiness. I got out because I want to see what this 15-minute gonna do. See if we can pull back down, get a nice little entry. We took out we short these highs, right? See how we short these highs? Now we gotta see what happens in the 15-minute, on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30. 15-minute prints in like 40 seconds, so we're gonna see. See if we can hold this. Might have a continuation to that 4 hour up here. We're gonna see. 15, 30 seconds left. See if we can have a continuation, even though we short these highs. See what happens right here at this range. See 5 minute. So that's the 5 minute, right? Right here. Here we go. This looks strong. 15-minute, here it comes. Okay. Got the break though. 15-second break. Can we get the 30-second break? This thing's looking strong. Yeah. This is looking strong. Oh shit. I think I need to get back into this. How, when, I don't know. But I need to get back into this. This ain't about to take off. I don't know how or when I'm gonna get into this, but ooh, this might be a tough one. Let's see. Big rejection about to come in right here. Oh no. Wow, that was gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Nice move. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that. You can't beat that. I don't trade these small time frames like this on this small scale like this. I don't do it. I'm not a scalper like that. A scalper, because this thing can drop heavy. Especially when you got this 2 minute no wick. It's gonna have to come back down. 1 minute no wick. See? It's gonna have to fill up a wick. See? Still got a couple more minutes left. I want to see this thing take off though. I like how we start the lows on a 4 hour. Oh, I like this. This looks good, man. I want to see if we can come back down and do it again, and I can have a all pullback and just go back into the all longs. 15 minutes, just print it. See if we can get a pullback into this block, and I can go for this. I might go for this 4 hour up here. Can we get this pullback? Can we get a pullback? 5 minute. Nah. Fair you got right here. See if we can respect this. I want to see an entry right here, possibly an entry. See right here. See if he wants to respect this. Or even this. Or even this. On this 30-second. This looks good. Like, this would be a nice little spot for it to like wake down and jump, just reject, like go back up. We're gonna see though. Still patient. Still patient. Alright, we entering that 50% though. Entering that 50%. So at those highs. That's a big deal. So at those highs. We're gonna wait till that pending home sales. 10 minutes left on that pending home sales. Might start seeing some consolidation. Man. Man, I like how this looks. I should have took that. Oh man. See what happens right here in this block. This is a key level, y'all. It's an important level right here. We're going to either break this or reject this. I think we might reject this. Sweeping these highs. Alright. We're going to see. What does the market wants to do? Probably take them out. See on the one. Yeah, it's just going to continue. Unless it comes back down to this opening range break. That would be nice for me. If we come back down to its opening range break and respect it, I want to see us go long and take out these highs. But I don't want to see it happen now. I want to see it like drop and then happen. Give us another chance, another opportunity to get back into this market. I like how it's not breaking on the 30-second. If you can just keep not rejecting that area, we probably can get into a long. Yeah, it's breaking. How many ticks is this? Off this right here. 30 ticks, 40 ticks, 50 ticks, 60 ticks, 60 ticks. Yeah, it's taking it out. Yeah, it's about to take it out right now. Oh, here, big drop. Everybody got it long because they seen it break. See if we can get a nice rejection back into this entry right here, and we can have a nice continuation back up to these highs and sweep. Right? Let's see. Longs look good. It looks good. I like the block right here. I like it. It's just not. It's not my type of trade. It's not my type of style of trading. Because you might get the. It's like it looks like continuation, but at what cost? At what drop and then come back up? Drop and come back up. I'm not into that type of style. So yeah, touch it and then drop, and touch the next one and then drop. I'm not into that. See, I'm not into this. See that? I'm not into that type of style of trading. Big pump. See, it taps it, then drops, then pumps again, then drops. Even though we got the breaker structure though. Patience, y'all. We news come out in 9 minutes. Probably see how this 4 hour prints. If this 4 hour get bro, if this 4 hour gets back below this, oh my goodness. Oh wee. Oh wee. That might be a good day. Can this happen on Monday? Nah, probably not. Definitely continuation long. She gotta find another entry. What's that fair value you got? See what happens right here. I might try for one right here. Put a trailing stop. Just see what happens. Just see what happens right here. Sweeping those lows. Sweeping those lows. Do we sweep? I would like to see us come back up into this. I would like to see us come back up into. Never mind. Are we hitting 50%? No. Dang. Never mind. Just takes off. Just takes off. There it is, just taking off. Sweeping highs. Probably another big push about to come in the 5-minute range. Still holding it. 5 minutes left on the time frames. News comes out in a few. Just swept another high. Now we're about to have another, probably another rejection. Keep a tight stop. I want to see what happens. See if it pumps. 5, 4, 3, 2. Taking that out. Up 89. Just small little profits. Nothing too crazy. You know, nothing too crazy. Just want to see what happens since we didn't get that break on that 30-second. Also about to get the pump right here. Can we hold this level? Yeah, we're probably gonna sweep these right here and then have a nice pump. And then gotta take this out too. Market. Oh, here we go, y'all. We got news in like 4 more minutes. Big drop. Y'all know how it go. See? Take out the high, sweep. Take out it again, sweep. You know the game. I know the game. That's always the game. Could have went heavy on this sweep. I just don't like how it's like tapping the fair value gap and just taking off. Like that's what's getting me. It's literally just taking off. That's the crazy thing about this whole thing. Hey, I'll be right back. I'll be back. What's up, Mara? Okay, I will. And it's going pretty good. Can't complain. It's a pretty good morning. Hope yours is going well. It's going well too. So we'll try to have us a good day. All right. News come out in a minute 30. Minute 30. Minute 30. See what's gonna happen. One minute left. One minute left. $20 left. kids in the back. He doesn't like, doing what she say. See if we can get that pull down. Here we go. Nice. Oh, big. I'm trying to reject. Come on, let's reject that. I see us pull back down into that 15.
It's ready, mommy. It's ready.
It is ready, man. Can we get this rejection? Big drop. See if we can get a follow through. I just didn't like that. I didn't like that move, man. It literally just dries up so fast when you want a continuation. You gotta wait. It's too good though. We're gonna see if I just slide down. There we go. Touch the 15. Come on. I'll break even on this play. I'll save capital. Set the lows. Set the lows. Set the highs. I just want to see us sweep lower and then we can take off. You gotta be joking. Just because we saw these lows, this is the move to continue wait? Nah, bro. Bro, come on. Hit a block first. I would have seen if it hit a block. And then we continue. Not sweep the lows, don't hit nothing, and then continue. Nah. That wouldn't be a good reason to even just this is just one confirmation to get in. Alright. That's why I didn't take the longs, because it's not enough confirmation for me to see. I can see right here. See, if it would have hit something like this in this range, then yeah, take the longs. Not just sweep a low and nah. That's not even valid enough for me. You gotta be kidding me. You sweep one low and hit a fair value gap, and you think that's the bounce? We didn't even tap into this block right here on the 30. No way, that's the move. Six minutes left on 15. Ain't no way that's the move. Don't believe it. I know we swept. You might say, "Oh, we swept the lows." It would have been nice to see a block swept the lows and then hit a block and then bounce. Not just really. I mean, yeah, the entry could have been right here. See, I had entry for every gap, but I just didn't like the formation of it. To me, that didn't look. It didn't look like, yeah, let's take this long. I ain't gonna lie, it did respect this river you got pretty good. You know, we need no candle on it. So I should have did take it. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. It just didn't like how it looked. Just didn't like it. We didn't even come back into the order. Dang, big pump. To that what is it, a 4 hour? 4 hour period you got big pump into it. This Monday going crazy. Alright, so we select these highs, get rid of that. Get rid of this. I don't need this no more. Alright, select these highs. Hey Chris, I used to watch. Nah, not at all. Man, why y'all channel look like AI? Why you got an AI? Is this an AI? Am I talking to an AI right now? Am I talking to a robot? Has AI advanced enough to start communicating with us and troll us on our account? Tell me something. Tell me something I know a human only can say. Oh, okay. I was about to say. Let's see. Oh no. Okay. We're out here speaking to AI generated. Nah, I haven't. We don't. Me and the family don't really post much though. Nah, we kind of stepped out of that limelight. You know, kind of stepped out of that light. Got kind of repetitive. Okay, here we go. Nice rejection off the 4 hour. Man, it just rejects. Like it doesn't even give you a chance to say, yeah, this is it. Let's go down. It just bow. I mean, we doing good though. I can't complain. We're doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Pretty good. Two minutes left on the 15. Just want to see if we're gonna take out that 4 hour or even these highs. I was hoping we come back down into this. I was hoping we come back down. Wait a minute. You sneaky little. Ooh, you're sneaky. Dang, you didn't even know I had a family. I've been. You didn't know I had a family. It's crazy. Yeah, family channel. Just type in KNA family, K KNA family. You gonna see a bunch of videos, but we haven't posted in a while. We kind of stopped. That's crazy. I hope all is well with you and your family and how you doing in life. I know a lot of y'all there. Why man? A lot of people come and say they haven't seen me in a while. I just pray y'all doing good. You know, social media can get exhausting. I don't see how people can do it every day. It gets exhausting. Having to put on face every day. Do it if you want to be. If you want to post. Do it. Put whatever out there. That's how I first started. I just put whatever. I just started posting anything, even when it was. If I go back to my reactions when I first started, oh my goodness, it was just so random. But then after a while, I'm telling you, after like doing like just videos for years, it almost you just get comfortable because you just don't care what nobody think about what you do and how you do it. Like right now, I only got like 4 people in here, and I don't care. Even if it was 1,000 people, I'm gonna still act the same. But before then, I was trying to act more proper in a certain way. Try to do this, just do it the right way, and there's no right way. You just post, just post your stuff, and people gonna like your authentic self. People gonna like you for who you are. Some people like fake, and some people like real. So either you want to be fake and put on a face, or be your real self. I'll be honest with you. Be your real self. Always be your real self. Don't ever try to fit a narrative. But yeah, definitely post. If you want to post, just do it. Just post whatever. Somebody gonna watch it. Somebody gonna watch it. Even if you don't get the most views. And even if you was to post every day, don't worry about the views because you're gonna always do a video better than the other video every time. You'll think you did one great video that's gonna take you off, and then it never does, and then you always do a video that you unexpected to take you off. Those videos I couldn't believe that got viewed, millions of views. I couldn't believe. I was like, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Man, this market is trash. 15-minute did print. On a 15-minute, then a 1 minute, maybe the 2 minute. Oh, here we go. I think we're getting a retracement back down to this 15-minute. That would be something nice. That would be so nice. Put this back up. I think this is important. All right, let's look at this. Okay, that's a 1 hour. All right. Whatever I don't know. Honestly, I like what I do on here is mostly spread the word. I like spreading the word. See, I spread the word, the gospel. Following Christ, and I like trading. I used to like reacting. I used to like pranks and challenges, which is to me is kind of played out. Pranks and challenges, it gets repetitive. It gets so repetitive. But if I had any advice, just do what you like. Even if it was picking up paper. If you like picking up paper and want to post yourself picking up paper, just do it and do it well. That's the best advice I can give you. Do something that you desire that's not sinful and do it well. I would advise you not to do anything sinful, but just do something that you really think is good and do it well. And just keep doing it. God will bless you and carry you. We did so many of them. Oh my goodness, we did almost every last one. Like, it gets played out. Yeah, it's a season that's streaming is the new wave now. And I'm just keeping up with the just keeping up with the wave. But trying to do it the right way without cursing, doing bad stuff, trying to do the right thing. And this market is so chopped. Yeah. Might as well stream. Shoot. Stream on your phone. Shoot. Just use your phone. Just post. Just keep posting. Keep posting. Whatever it is, just post. Even if it was you doing hair or you drawing or somebody you're gonna get one person watching it, and you got one person watching that's interested, and then it's gonna turn into 2, then it's gonna turn into 10, then it's gonna turn into 100, then it's gonna turn into 1,000. I watched when I first started YouTube. I did my first reaction video. I can't remember. I would never forget it. I pretty much dropped out of nursing school to pursue my dreams in YouTube. Became successful though, really did. Became very successful at YouTube. Got a lot of views, made a lot of money, and then everything just made a turn for itself. I found Christ, but before finding Christ, I noticed that when I first started, I leaned on my own understanding. But if I had any truly advice for you, I would say call on God, and He will direct your path. I really believe that if you call on God and say, Lord, give me the wisdom and understanding to do this, and to not do it in my own understanding and my own will, but in your will, and He will bless you. He will bless you. He will add everything to you. He'll add the wisdom, the discernment, the understanding, whatever which way to go, so you don't entrap yourself into the wrong path. I truly believe if you give it to God, if you are a believer or non-believer, just give it to God. Seek Him and He will show you. Even if you feel, because I know you probably feel like I'm so confused, I'm so conflicted. What do I do? Even if I feel like if I did one thing, I might get bored of it, then do another thing, might get bored of it. Give it to Him. He's gonna give you whatever way He's gonna show you, and you just do it, and that's your life. I don't know how I found. I don't know. Trading just popped out of nowhere, and like it literally just poofed right in front of me. I felt like I was just doing whatever, and it just came out of nowhere. So yeah, believe God is trying to teach me financial literacy. Teach me how to become financially dependent, and to be smarter in this field. So I wouldn't even worry about the views. Be honest with you, I wouldn't worry about the views. If your craft is good, the people gonna come. My people came because my craft was crazy. I did a lot of pranks. I did a lot of challenges. I did a lot of wild stuff. I kept up with the waves. And when I had like no views, I just kept trying to post as much as I could. Even when I stressed myself out, I just tried to keep up with the waves. And I got far. It's funny how, what's so funny? It's funny how I started off, remember my first day of my first post, it was a reaction video of a dancing video. My first post was dancing. Actually, my first video was a video game video, and then it was dancing. And I only had like 7 viewers, like 7 views on the video, 7 views. And I was like, wow. I really want to pick this up and get this to 1 million. I can't wait. One day I'm gonna get this channel to 1 million views. I remember like it was yesterday. And I can tell you right now, it don't mean nothing. It don't mean nothing. You can have all the money, all the views in the world, it don't mean nothing. I got there, and I'm a living testimony. I got there. I went from no views to having it to having none, really. But it's okay though, you know, it doesn't mean nothing because some people might say you fell off. You might get up there one day, and people might say you might fall off one day because everybody gonna have to fall off one day. So if you do start and you do get up there, one day you're gonna have to come right back down. One day everybody falls off. You know, nobody really screams Michael Jackson's name every day no more. We might mention his name, but we don't scream his name no more. So I think it's a good thing to fall off. It's a good thing. It's a good thing to start, and it's also good to end. It's always good to close them chapters. Wow, we really came back down to this low and bounced again. Amazing. Amazing. How many ticks was that? That was 142 ticks. What in the world? Yeah. I mean, you know what I mean by like, well, falling off. I wouldn't say I didn't fall off because I still landed on my feet. But at the same time, like falling off is okay. You know, when people say you fell off, it's okay to think that because everybody does become old once in a while. I'm considered old. You know, I'm considered like not old, but I'm considered my content is old. What I've done is overdid. You know, people might say, "Oh, I remember watching you." They don't say, "Oh man, you're cool. I like watching your videos now." They like saying, "I remember watching you," and I get that a lot. I remember watching your videos. I remember, and that's when I know that I'm kind of in that old era. I'm in the old era. I'm not in the new era no more. And I could still probably become popular, but it wouldn't hit the same as somebody with a fresh face. I'm not a fresh face. Maybe to some I am, but majority of people I see, they like, yeah, I've seen you before. Those pranks or reactions. And I'm happy. I'm really happy with that. At one point, there was a point in time when I was like, man, I can't believe I'm just not it no more. Like I'm not, uh, like I'm looked up to, and I'm now it's like I'm happy. I ain't gotta keep trying so hard. Oh my gosh, I can tell you right now, a lot of the creators are trying very hard to keep up. Most definitely. And also right here, you know what? This is a perfect time to spread that gospel. Man, I love spreading the gospel. 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 8. There were 3 different times I begged to the Lord to take it away. Whether that's pain, whether that's hatred, whether that's problems in your life, situations, anger, anxiety, depression. You beg God, please take my pain away. Take the bad away. Each time each time God has said, my grace is all you need. My power works best in weaknesses. So now I am glad to boast about my weaknesses, so that the power of Christ can work through me. That's why I take pleasure in my weaknesses and in insults, in hardships, persecutions, troubles that I suffer for Christ. For when I am weak, I am strong. For when I am weak, I am strong. Because God's grace is all you need. You call on the Lord, He's going to get you through those hard times, and He's going to bless you abundantly. He's going to make you sufficient, efficient enough to sustain any outcome, any circumstance. We also have right here, we have John chapter 16, verse 33. I have told you all this so that you may have peace in He, peace in me, peace in God. Here on earth, you will have many trials, many sorrows, but take heart. He has overcome the world. God has overcome the world. You can call on Him, and He will deliver you and free you from your pain, your suffering. You call on God, give Him a try, and watch how He do wonders in your life. Remember, He's almighty. He's always there. He never takes His eyes off you. He's always watching you. Remember, God never sleeps or slumber. He don't go, oh, I'm going to take a nap. He may take a break and sit there, but at the same time, He never stops watching. He never closes His eyes. He's always watching you. Every moment, he's gonna watch you. He's watching you in 4K. You're in 4K right now. He's watching every little thing you think of, everything you do. But think about this. He loves you. He doesn't want to take his eyes off you. He's there for you, ready for you to call on him, to bless you, to help you, to sustain you. And he will hold you up with his righteous right hand. And I believe that in my heart because I believe in it. Right? God is good. God is good. If anything, that's the best advice I can give you is God. I can say, yeah, do this A, B, C, and D. Do A, B, C, and D, and you gonna make it. I'm only gonna give you one of them. God, that's it. My downfall led me to God. I really believe my downfall led me to God. I was happy to. Yeah, God's plan, man. Whew, you right about the coincidences. Whew. Everything, even when evil is happening, things are happening aligning with God's will at all times. At all times. His will is being done. No coincidences are no joke. You might say, ain't no way this is happening. You just seen the miraculous miracles work behind the scenes. That's how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. His artistry, his technique, his style. Oh man, it's not like no other. It's one of the ones. It's one of the ones. I've always tell my story of how I so-called fell off. When I was doing bad, I was doing so good. When I was doing bad videos, doing what I want, selfish, sinful, doing what I want, I was doing so good. And when I started to like question everything started just stepping down. I started falling off, started like losing a lot of stuff. As I was seeking God more, I lost a lot more. I seek God and I lost the sinful me, and my spiritual self was being fed. It's like I couldn't feed my fleshly self, but my spiritual self was being fed. And everything fleshly was falling off, but everything spiritually was rising up. I don't even talk the same no more. I don't even act the same no more. I don't even do the same. It's amazing. I'm a new creation. I love how they say the old is gone, the new has come. I'm a new creation now. You give your life to Christ, you become a new creation. You were reborn. You don't think of yourself too highly. Humble yourselves before the Lord. And this is not just for you too. This is for everyone that's going to watch this stream. That's when I'm finished with this stream. When the stream cuts out, whoever's watching it, they're going to have to hear this. It's the truth. It's the truth. The truth. The truth. I can't say nothing, bro. God is too good. Let's see, man. We've been in this chop. I would like to see us come back down, take these lows out, and have a bounce. It might happen later though. We're gonna still wait though and see. You just liking it up, huh? That's what I always say. Never live in the physical so much that you don't feed your spiritual self. Most definitely. Yeah, I don't judge. I don't like to. I don't want to judge people. You know, I want them to. I just want to bring them to God, let them figure it out, let them talk to Him, and then and then they just make the connection. I'm not. I mean, I could call out all of the sins all day, but all I could do is just bring you to the fountain, and it's up to you if you drink from the fountain or not. That's it. No point of bashing people about their personal sins. What if somebody's, homosexual, a drunkard, whatever it is, right? It is what it is. We all do sin, but we gotta definitely call back to God, cause He's merciful. He's rich in mercy, graceful. Yeah. So Kelly, I'll see you in a minute. Yes, we do. That's what makes it so unique. Glory be to the Lord for being so good to us. If he calls me to stop trading, I'll stop trading and spread his word. If he says it, like, hey, stop. I got to. Just gotta, I gotta pray to hear his voice more, to hear what when he's talking to me and what he wants his will to be done in my life. But I'm pretty sure he's telling me to be still. If anything, just be still and wait for him. And most of the battles, you don't even have to work. You don't have to do them yourself. He'll do it for you. All you have to do is be still. Usually, what I see a lot of like, just be still and just wait for me. Wait for me to act, and you'll know. Right. It also says right here, and let's see if I can find it. See if I can find the scripture. I have a bunch of them though. Let me see if I can find it. Right here, I have a bunch of them. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Do not lean on your own understanding, which is your own wisdom. In all of your ways, seek his will. Seek his will, and he will show you the right path to take. Right? You trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Like, how you trust in the Lord? How do you do this? How do you trust in him? How do you trust in the Lord? You trust in the Lord by saying, you know what? I'm trusting in you. I believe in you. I have faith in you. I know you are real. I acknowledge you. I know you are almighty and all powerful. I trust in you. I ask for something and you will provide. Trust in him. Lean not on your own. When you lean on your own understanding, I think I can do this if I do it this way, if I do it that way, if I do it that way. I believe I can do it. But if you say, you know what, God, I'm gonna give this to you. I trust in you. I want you to have this. I want you to take this from me and just make it work for me. If you tell me no, it's a no. If you tell me if it's a yes, then you're gonna work it out for me. And you ask for understanding. And he's gonna have his will be done in your life. He's gonna give you the answer. He's gonna talk to you. He's gonna speak to you. All you gotta do is pray to him. Remember that. Never stop praying. Right? Never stop praying. Right here we also have, let me see if I can find it. I think it's First Thessalonians. Let me see if I can find it. Give me a sec. Right here, First Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 16. Always be joyful and never stop praying. Always be joyful. Never stop praying. There's more to this verse I like too, but I kind of, cut that one. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. Give this a try. I'm telling you, if you do this, y'all, whoever's watching, not just y'all two that's talking, if y'all doing this, I'm telling you, he's going to speak to you and he's going to respond to you and you're going to be like, oh yeah, he's real. Yes, he is. He's real. First Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 16, always be joyful no matter what the circumstance is. If you're being persecuted, like the one I just posted, right? Like the one I just posted. Right? It says it right here. Take pleasure in weaknesses, in insults. When somebody insults you, be joyful. Like, okay, it's you okay, you insulting me. I get it. It's a personal thing, but you insulting me. Persecutions. Okay, you trying to attack me. I get it. The world hated Christ first. And troubles, I'm feeling depressed a little bit, a little anxiety. Okay, I get it. Life get hard. Life get hard. But I'm gonna take joy because who you got as your advocate? Jesus Christ. It be hard. Life be trying to do this to you. Oh man, love it. Life be like you and you got two options. Either you get mad and have hatred, or you like, okay, you trying me. You're trying me. You know what? This ain't my battle. I'm giving it to God. This ain't my battle. God, take my battles. Take it. I can't handle this. They doing too much. My emotions up here with it. Too much of it. All right. It be like that. Sometimes it be like that. Yeah, of course. We are made in God's image, in his likeness. Animals got it to a certain degree. Angels got it to a certain degree, but we are made in his image, in his likeness. We got all of it. Not the bad stuff though. The bad stuff is all sin and man, downfall of man. But at the same time, we feel those problems when somebody's yelling at you, you ready to tick off. Somebody's want to hurt you, you ready to hurt back. When somebody's cursing you, ready to curse back. Somebody do you wrong, you ready to do the opposite. You ready to pay evil with evil. But God's telling you pay evil with good. Do good to evil. You like this is hard. You just want something to pull you back when you're going through it. Just let me go. Let me go. Let me try. Let me just, you know, right. But God's telling you, lean not on your own understanding. Lean not on your own understanding. Because if you do, only you can hurt yourself. Right? Only you can hurt yourself. You don't want to hurt yourself. You give it to the Lord. Because if you lean on your own understanding, then you're saying that you got wisdom. You know how to handle this perfectly, and you know what the outcome can be at any given moment. I don't know if I can trust myself all the time. God can always put you in the right place at the right time and put you in situations to teach you. But to lean on my own understanding, say, yeah, I'm smart. I got this in a bag. Nothing to me. I can do it. So you saying you know all the traps that's ahead of you, you know all the obstacles that's ahead of you, you just so wise, you got it going on. You just know how to handle it. Even down to paying bills, you ready. But if you don't call on the Lord, He will say, you know what? I gave you free will. I'm gonna allow you to learn on your own mistakes. I'm gonna sit back and let you do it. Since you say you so smart and you got it, do it. And you gonna be like, oh man, I shouldn't. God was supposed to do this, do that, do. You were supposed to present your problems to Him and let Him take the wheel. And you sat back and sit still and then wait for Him to tell you what to do. Life be slapping us. Yeah. Yes, He does. Ain't He so good? Ain't He so good? Ain't He so good? So patient. Life ain't supposed to be like this. It was never supposed to be like this. Never supposed to be this hard. Never supposed to be this annoying, this stressful. This every day is always a problem with somebody. Every day, you might be peaceful in your home right now in this very moment. In this very moment, you may have peace in your life right now in this very moment. But the moment you step out of your doors and hit that road, hit the road, hit the road. The moment you hit that road, you realize how chaotic this world is. It's so chaotic. Everybody's in their mind. People are stressed, depressed, problems, situations, anxiety, hatred, anger, lust, no, just all kind of crazy stuff. It's like, wow. It don't stop. And you notice there's a problem. And God came down to show us there's a problem. I think there's no problem, but there's a problem. And He's here to fix it. This market is, wow. Wowzers. Prayer is definitely powerful. Prayer. I try to pray as much as I can throughout the day. I try to pray morning, try to pray now, try to pray when I get up, I try to pray when I'm stressed, I try to pray when I'm confused. I just try to pray. The more you pray and have continual communication with God, the closer you get to Him, to hearing His voice, to know what He wants His will to be done in your life for you. You start having better understanding on what it is that He wants you to do. And what, you will understand more and what to expect. Prayer. It's like talking to your Father and saying, you know what should I do about this? How do I handle this? Can you help me with that? I need this, I need that. And He will provide. He will provide. Oh, is it that Gen Z era, huh? Yeah. Stuff ain't cheap. Jobs are hard to get to. Everybody's always all over the place complaining. Everything is greedy. It's a lot. You're right. It's a lot. Give it to the Lord. He'll present something so he's so magnificent that whatever you're going through, you already know. Even when you believe in Him, you really have to believe in Him, knowing that He can really make the possible. He can make the impossible possible at any given moment. Literally, like at any given moment, you be like, God is good. I just don't see this happening. Yeah, you will see. If he says he wants it to be done, if he wants you to, if this water bottle can float, he can make this water bottle float if he wanted to. That's how good he is. He can literally do it. If he wanted to happen, he'll make it happen. Some way, somehow, he'll make it happen. There is nothing impossible for God. Why is 200? I don't know. Why is 2 oranges $5? You got me on that one. I don't know. I don't know. That's crazy. They wrong for that. Might have to go hit up a Hispanic store or something and go find you some oranges. Get them for like $1. Or Asian market. I'm telling you, them foreign countries, Middle East, Asian, Hispanic markets be have it for the cheap. As soon as you hit Walmart, as soon as you hit the grocers or something, you expect to pay that high dollar for it every single time. Price is crazy. What is going on? What in the world? That's amazing. That is really amazing. That's cool. That's cool. I'm getting off in a few though. So I'm getting a little exhausted. Would I be wrong to try one micro right here? Would I be wrong? Green, green, red, green, sweet, drop. I just want to see it happen. Hey, we did it. We hoping. I'm happy to help. Cause imagine me doing all these crazy. I'm over. God, it's good. I'm over here like I was doing crazy pranks, cheating prank, drunk prank, drug prank, and here I am spreading the word. Like how crazy is that, right? Like how crazy is that? I used to do crazy pranks and get millions of views, and I'm over here spreading the word and but getting no views. Well, ain't the world messed up? Ain't the world messed up? I'm gonna put in the description, spreading the gospel. Spreading the gospel. That's what I'm gonna start doing. Spreading the gospel. Spreading the gospel. I don't even feel like debating it. I don't want to be no debating gospel. I'm gonna start doing that. See if more people will come to hear the word. I wouldn't call myself a preacher though. It's crazy how I went from doing crazy pranks to just doing whatever I want, thinking it was fun. Now it's like I just do not condone that type of stuff at all. At all. Ha. Yeah, fake proposal friend. Yeah. Wow, that was so long ago. That was funny. Okay, 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 okay. Wait a minute. Hold up. Slow down, slow down. Wait, 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 wait. hold up. Let me see. Chill, chill. Chill, chill, chill. Okay, okay, I like that. Big rejection on that. What's up, Abdul? Abdul. Abdul. What's up? And then you proposed for real, for real. I was like, yes, yes. That was an amazing time, by the way. I enjoyed that. Proposed for real. That was something. You know what's crazy? If you noticed in the video when I proposed, did you know that? Did you ever notice and go? I don't know if I still have it up. Did you know that I didn't propose? I didn't even say nothing. I just did it. I don't remember. I don't recall ever saying anything in a proposal. I just remember just doing it, and I just remember just doing this and not literally saying, "Will you marry me?" Maybe I did. I don't know. I don't remember saying it. That's what's really catch. Just goofy, straight goofy. Like, bro, what are you doing? Makes no sense. Makes no sense. What we doing, coach? Okay, 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 okay. 3 seconds on a 5 minute. Boom. Is it shorty now? That's sad. That's sad. That's sad. I'm going short. Keep a tight stop. I want to see what happens right here. You want pump. Unless it wants to go. Let me see. Is there anything right here? Might be. See. No way. Aw, yeah. Yeah, see, I did the right thing. Yeah, I did it. I did it. I did it. Whoa, why you getting hot? Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill out, chill out. Keep it tight, stop. Keep it tight, stop. Couldn't tell me to come back up here and get a wig. Please. Please. Here we go. 5 seconds on the 5 minute. And this thing is about to Here we go. See if we can get a push all the way into this 15-minute. Or not. We are halfway though. Just one micro. Alright, just one micro. Just trying to see how it's looking. I'm gonna get off in a few though. Nice move. Wow. What's up, Deontay? Deontay, haven't seen you in forever. What's good? Good to hear from you, see you, see your profile picture. Man, it's good seeing you. Excuse me. Deontay. And we out of that. Out of there. Just being you. That's all you can do. Just be you. That's all you can do. Just be you. It's all you can do. All you can do is be you. It's going pretty good. Going pretty good. Oh, I pray yours is going well too. Oh man, talk about patience. That's good. Trump speaking? Mr. Trump? Mr. George? Mr. Trump? Mr. Trump? Let's see. Okay. All right, back into this opening range break. Opening range break, 15-minute fair value you got right here. Let's see. See what we get right here. 1 hour. A little tricky. It's a little tricky. A little tricky. It's a little tricky. A little tricky. Okay. One minute left on the 15. I want to see what happens right here. Looking pretty heavy, looking pretty heavy. Gotta be careful. 5 minutes, 15 seconds on the 15. Give myself a nice little room in that play. Getting heavy. Halfway point of that opening range break. I hope we don't have to sweep the lows. That's gonna be annoying. Gonna have to sweep all the way down. Might have to, cause how does 1 hour took out these highs? I don't like it. I don't like it. I like it. I think I'm in the wrong trade. 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 I could probably be in the wrong trade. Not liking how it look. Not liking how it look. It's looking a little heavy. It's looking a little scary. Yeah, it's looking heavy. Shorts definitely came in. This looks a little heavy to the shorts. Oh wow, big huge pop. Okay. What was that? Still looks heavy. I got stopped out of that. Nah, I bet not see no crazy bounce. Chill, chill. How much did I put in so far? What do you mean? How much I put in? What, one micro? It's like one micro. I did take a short. I took this short right here. To this 15 minutes, something short, not too crazy. Something like this. And then I took some longs too. I just want to see us come back up, but if not, do you know where this market going? I don't think this market wants to come back down today. I mean, like how many? I just put in like one micro. I mean, so far, I was scaling in and scaling out like 4 or 5 micros. That's it. Just kind of something slight, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. I'm about to get off though, cause it's pushing my time. I'm trying to see if we can have a nice bounce, but look at the buildup of these candles. Look at the buildup on the red. See if we can respect this and have a continuation. Wow. Okay, we got underneath that. 30 seconds left on the 5 minute. See if we can hold this halfway point of this opening range break. See if we can hold a halfway point of this opening range break. And if not, then you know what's going on. 30 seconds left. Okay. 10 seconds left. Wow, you really did that just to bounce. It's crazy. Swap the lows, bounce at this block. I like it. On the 5 minute, I want to see us. I'm gonna try one more. Wink. Try one more right here. I just want to see what happens right here. I'm gonna put my stop. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I'm gonna target these highs right here. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hey. Calm down now. Calm down. Calm down. Unless you're coming back down to this fair value gap on the 30-second, then yeah, I mean, I take that too, you know. But don't be dropping like that, bro. I want to get back to this block. I want to see what happens right here. So, dang. Chill out. Chill. Do you need to sleep again? Cause goodness. Chill. Yeah, what is that? Matter more. I like that. Uh-oh, rejection. Big rejection. Damn. They don't like giving. Let's see. I don't like that. Yeah, it's probably gonna drop. Well, we're gonna see. Hold. Dang. They so off. Dang. Y'all did me dirty on that one, coach. Dirty on that one, coach. Did me dirty on that one. Did me dirty on that one, coach. Whoa. Chill. I added too much. Whoa. Chill. Chill out. Chill. Just because we come into this 15-minute and reject again, right? 15-minute. Chill. See? Rejection. Look how fast that is. Mean. So mean. Just so mean. So mean, bro. Well, that's it, y'all. I'm done for the day. We did good. We did good. We did good. We good. I'm not gonna be mad. This was pretty decent. Pretty decent trades. Pretty decent trades. I'm about to hop off. I am exhausted. Put my executions. To my screenshot. Y'all know. Remove the drawings. I actually added one right here. And then I took out right here. Deontay. You know, I'm gonna just show these because this is too much. Alright, there we go. Done for the day. That's it. Hold on. Alright, y'all. I'm hopping off. I pray y'all have a good day. And yeah. See y'all.